I'm from Patel Group of Institutions. My name is Meghna, and today we had a workshop on AI conducted by STEMx, and we have learned many things about software and hardware machines like humanoid robot, and spider. Then
Good afternoon. So today in our workshop we learned about AI. So we're just going to show you like what and all we have learned today. So as you can see here, we have learned many programs like line expression and expression detection. So as you can see here, one of my friend is going to show how it works. So Darshan, it's up to you.
Hi, my name is Darshan. I will show you now how expression will detect here.
So now I'm going to start the program. So just you can focus on this capture. Just detect on this. So now we are going to see the expression detection. What expression he is going to show here, it is going to detect here. So let's start. Listen, it's up to you. So it is showing happy to see because the person is smiling and the detection is red and blue. So Darshan, can you change the expression? Shocking. Thinking. Think. As you can see, the person is thinking. It is showing, may I help you? What you were thinking. And you can see the color variant, it has been changed. Like the pattern has been changed. Can you show some other expression? Okay, so this way there's some few, and as you can see here, we have two robots which is related to AI. One is humanoid robot, which can do push-ups and it can be done through mobile connections, and one other one is spider robot. So these two are things which have come under AI. So this was today's workshop from us. Thank you all.
Dan sama nila.
Kamu fast.